Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the lowly coin. That is a new coin in the market. A lot of people ask me questions about lowly, that what's the price of lowly, and is it best for investment or not? So guys, first of all, that's really a new coin in the market. So the price of lowly is a low price coin in the market, and you can see here, my friends. Now, first of all, just look here his mission. Our vision is to make the record by growing token price. You can see a very high vision of this coin. They believe that lowly price will be at the last of 2021 1 USD dollar. And now I think the current price of lowly in the market is 0.000001 USD dollar. So guys, they also predicated lowly by yourself, sorry, by herself, that the lowly price at the last half 2021 will be 1 USD dollar. So guys, now we can't say about the future of lowly is it profitable or not, we can't say about. But if you look the price, if you look this update about lowly so little love dream back, you can see here. Now these are updates by the CEO of the lowly coin. So guys, now it is a new coin in the market, so we can't see. But remember, it doesn't depend on these kind of posts. It depends on the people. If a people want to invest in a lovely so the price will increase. But if the supply net increase of lovely so the price will decrease, jumps more and more. Doesn't look the posts of CEO. Every time CEO only promote his coin. Every coin, Shiba and Sephun, every coin, the CEO only promote coin. They doesn't tell you that don't buy lovely They always tell you that buy now, buy now. So guys, now this time I recommend for all of you that don't invest in a lovely it is a new coin, so we can't say about that it is a scam or not. Maybe it is a scam, maybe it is a real, but just wait for 1-2 months. After 2-3 months, if the lowly prices continue, if the price chain is pump, so after that I recommend for all of you to buy lovely now. This time I not recommend for all of you to buy now. Don't buy, just look lovely for 1 month, for 2 months, and after that you can easily buy lovely Thanks for watching this video. Click the subscribe button now for more updates and videos about cryptocurrencies more.